Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by. My name is Lily. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I create the simple look in 10 minutes. This is my own Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, and I'm starting out by using a spooling brush to comb my brows upward, and I'm going in with the Davis eyeliner eyebrow pencil in the shade 03. After lining my brows with the eye pencil, I am going to use my mascara to comb the brows like so, to just blend everything together. You can use an eyebrow gel for this if you want, but I love using mascara. To define my brows, I'll be using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm going to use this floppy brush here to blend out all the excesses around my eyes and blend it properly so I could use that as a base for my eyeshadow. The beautiful thing about this makeup look is that it's not just a makeup look. I also went to style my outfit. So you can see I just cleaned the brush so I could use it to get some of the foundation and use it to clean the upper part of my brows. If you want, you can use a concealer, but I always recommend a foundation because it's soft and easy to blend. Today I'm using a highlighter as my eyeshadow, and I'm starting with my lid instead of my crease like I used to do. I'm starting with my lid. Shadow with an actual eyeshadow, and I'm taking the wine shade, I'm applying it on my crease to serve as my transitional shade. I keep blending and blending and blending. I'm taking another brush again and I'm going back into the highlighter to keep, dapping, taking more product and applying on my eyes lid, on my lids, and then I keep going back with the other brush to apply on my crease. And I'm going in with my liquid eyeliner, guys. I've heard a lot of people say this part is difficult. It's not difficult if you can invest few minutes of your time and just relax while you do this. It's very easy. I'm going in with my mascara to comb out my own lashes. Just comb them, brush them out like so. This way, when you apply your forces, it's gonna be so easy to apply. If you do not comb your actual lashes out, applying forces is gonna be so difficult. Even if you eventually get it, it's gonna stress you. So always make sure that you brush your own lashes with a mascara. I'm resisting the temptation to moisturize my face today because Asaba is so hot today. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my primer by Maybelline, and I'm going to set my entire face with my face powder by MAC Cosmetics. And after that, I'm going in with my foundation by ZK Cosmetics, and this one I'm in the shade 250, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply all over my face. The reason I always apply foundation on my lips is because when I want to apply a matte lipstick, it wouldn't break, it would just sit where I want it to sit. with with my Elegant Pro concealer, I'm just going to highlight the part of my face where the light will hit, and I'm just going to dab it into my skin like so. This procedure is so easy and anybody can do it, especially if you're using a Real Technique beauty blender. In my case, I'm using an ordinary beauty blender. It's so kind of difficult for me. It took me a while. So I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm going to set my concealer with a setting powder. If you pay close attention in this video, you'll see that I don't used to apply my setting powders like this, but today I'm doing this. I'm going in with my contour. I'm using the darkest shades. This is from Classic Cosmetics, and I'm using, this is from Classics Makeup, and I'm applying like so. And I'm dusting out the setting powder. And I'm just going to use my powder to dust out the setting powder and just blend everything in. For my lips, I'm going in with these two lipstick. One of them is from Sephora and the other is from MAC Cosmetics. So I'm starting out by using the MAC Cosmetics. This is Ruby Wood, and I'm using an angle brush to apply it before going in with the Sephora. After that, I just brush everything out, with my powder. I'm going in with my eyeliner to line my waterline. I love using my finger for my highlighter because it gives me that total control, and I just love how it always come out. And I'm using my brush to apply my highlighter. I'm also using some of the highlighter to apply around my TS dot area. So this is pretty much all that it takes to achieve the simple, amazing, flawless red lips makeup look with golden eyes. And so if you have watched to this extent, to this point, I want to say a very big thank you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. I'm going to go ahead and style myself and show you my outfit of the day. Sorry, Antonia couldn't get it all because she said it's dark, and so this is all I could show you. If you are in a country that is hot, you can take off the jacket. If you are in a country that is cold, you can wear your jacket like so. and I'm using my River Island bag. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next one.